What's up YouTube? I'm Billy, and today I'm going to show you the steps required to make your very own Giant Jenga set. That's coming up on Fortune Favors the Bold. A standard Jenga game consists of 54 pieces. If you're using 2x4s, you're going to need 6 8-foot long boards to complete this project. You're going to cut those boards into 10.5-inch long pieces. Now, you're thinking to yourself, Jenga's usually 3 boards and then 1 across, and you're using 2x4s. So wouldn't it be 4, 8, and 12? Well, an actual 2x4 is closer to 1.5 by 3.5. 3.5 plus 3.5 plus 3.5 is 10.5. So 54 boards at 10.5 inches. Let's go get some cutting done. For the first board, you're gonna have to use a measuring tape to measure out 10.5 inches, draw a line with a straight edge, and then make your cut. After that, you can use that board as a template to make sure all the other boards are the exact same length. Simply crank down the board at 10.5 inches and make your cuts. With all the cutting complete, it's time to get to sanding. Get all these sharp edges off, all the burrs, and irregularities in the wood. If you haven't already, I highly recommend you invest in a nice rotary sander and get at least 80 grit or higher sandpaper. If you get anything lower, it's going to still be a little too coarse and rough around the edges, and you'll have to sand it a second time with a higher grit. Time to get some sanding done. With the boards all nice and smooth and the edges all rounded, you could be complete, or you could add a nice finishing touch. I'm going to stain my boards. I'm going to do an alternate between white and black, but the color choice is up to you. With the stain complete, all that's left to do is add some finishing wax so the boards slide in and out a little bit smoother. They're definitely a lot smoother now and glide a little bit nicer over each other. All that's left to do now is grab some friends and play some games. Thanks again for watching this video. Always remember, life is short, make it count, and I'll see you next time. Take care.